Hello guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to night point of view drive of this. So this is the new generation of Renault Clio, and as you can see, very aggressive look, because for the first time ever this car is available with the RS line. So basically it means you have a very aggressive element such as this diffuser, the exhaust, but of course the engine remains the standard one. Alright, so inside you have a new flat bottom steering wheel with the RS logo. Now we do have also the new digital dashboard in front of the driver with different views. This is the main screen, huge screen with some of the buttons that remained here. And now we will turn on the engine. So there you have it. Now the good thing is that the AC controls are still on the buttons. So thumbs up for Renault for doing that. You have a nice illumination here and also ambient lights over there. But now let's go for a drive. Okay, so let's go. This car has the MULTISENSE, which means there are few driving modes available. As you can see here, so we have the individual mode, sport mode and eco mode. I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Alright guys, so this was the night point of view drive of the new Renault Clio, equipped with a petrol engine, 74 kilowatts, so around 100 horsepower. And well, yeah, tell me in the comments, what do you think about this new look from the, as well as inside, also the outside, about this RS line that is now available. Also, do tell me which one would you go for in this class. So I also did a night point of view drive of the new Peugeot 208, which is also very attractive. They both drive very, very good, and they are improved compared to their predecessors. So of course this car, as I said, sits on the new platform, and that's why it has been improved in terms of, you know, driving itself. So thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of new, you know, night point of view drives, car reviews, car shows, everything car related. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.